Hello grade 8s, I'm going to show you a slightly more complicated equation. Okay, as you can see on this side we've got quite a few terms, and on this side we've also got quite a few terms. We have to try and solve for x. Now if you look on the left hand side, you can see that you've got some like terms. You've got a 7x and a minus 2x. Minus 4 is not a like term. So what we're going to do is we first, on the left-hand side only, going to collect the like terms. So 7x minus 2x is 5x. And then minus 4 is the only constant. So I'm just going to write down minus 4 equals. Now if you look on the right-hand side, minus 7 is a constant, minus 2 is a constant. We can join those together. It becomes minus 9 minus x. So basically we've done some simplifying on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So we're not doing any part of the equation at the moment. All we're doing is making the left-hand side as simple as possible and the right-hand side as simple as possible. Okay, so now let's just remember our balance scale. It's got to stay in a straight line all the time. I want to collect all the x's on the side, so I'm just going to write down 5x. 5x is on the correct side. This minus x is a problem. We want to get rid of it. Then this minus 4 is on the wrong side because we don't want to collect constants on this side. They must be on that side. This minus 9 is correct. So what we're going to do is do a little bit in our heads now. We don't want any constants on this side. So we are going to add 4 to both sides. If I add 4 to this side, minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. So I'm not even going to put that step down anymore. I think you can do it in your heads. Minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0, but then I must write plus 4 on this side. So technically I've added 4 to this side, it's become 0, and I've added 4 to this side. I've added 4 to both sides, it stays in balance. Right now, I don't want minus x on this side because I'm collecting all my x's over here. So how do I get rid of minus x? I am going to add x, but I'm just going to do that in my head. I'll show you what I'm doing in my head. I'm adding x to this side. That means I must add x to this side. When I add x to this side, it becomes 0. When I add x to this side, 5x plus x is equal to 6x. And then minus 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 5. Okay, so far, what did we do? We added 4 to both sides and we added x to both sides. Right now, we have 6x is equal to minus 5. So let me just give us a bit more space. Okay, we do not want 6 times x. We want x to be on its own. So what is the inverse operation of timesing by 6? It is dividing by 6. So if you look at your balance scale here, if I divide by 6 on this side, the 6's are going to cancel. But now I've got to keep it in balance, so I must divide by 6 on that side as well. So my answer is x equals minus 5 over 6.